Hey guys, welcome back to another. Wait, hold on. Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Trade them back. I'm gonna. Guys, I can't even type with my A's spamming me. Trade them. Oh. Okay, guys, so we just caught a scammer. I really haven't gotten too far in the video because I had to accidentally deleted the other video I made. Okay, hold on. XDI. Oops, I can't even. Oh guys, we just found another scammer. So yeah. Show it to AJ so they can give her a spike back. Okay guys, so yeah, well this is a shame. Another scammer, guys. I'm gonna post. Well guys, we caught a scammer and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go report the person. I forgot. Oh, okay. Okay. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and please try. I don't know, guys. Please try helping her. She just lost her pink short and 3 other rares. I feel so bad. I am so sorry, Bear Hugs 45. I am really sorry you got scammed. So yeah, guys, make sure you go and block that person. I have no idea what else to say because I'm just done with scammers, guys. I'm gonna send this to AJHQ. AJHQ, if you're watching this, I was just wondering if you could try giving her back her stuff. She traded a pink short spike and a tree. I don't know what kind of tree, but 3 other rares. So yeah, please AJHQ help her out, and thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.